Okay, see this question. An organic compound has oxygen 26.24% and hydrogen 4.92%. Find its empirical formula. See, we know that organic compound means it must contain carbon. It must contain carbon. Therefore, how do you find the percentage of carbon? They have already given you the percentage of oxygen and percentage of hydrogen. So overall should be equal to 100. So if you do 100 minus percentage of oxygen plus percentage of hydrogen, you will get percentage of carbon. So I have already calculated that, and we are getting the carbon percentage 68.84%. Next we have to make the columns like this, where we know what to do: element, percentage composition, atomic mass, atomic ratio, and simplest ratio. Elements are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. 68.84%, 4.92%, 26.24. Atomic mass is 12, 116. How do you find atomic ratio? Percentage composition divided by atomic mass. So you will get certain number. One thing you remember, you will not be allowed to use the calculator in the exams. Okay, so you have to do it without calculator. Okay, now you found the atomic ratio. So out of these three, whichever is the smallest number, you have to divide all other numbers by that. So here 1.64. So when you do that, you will get the simplest ratio: 5.74 by 1.64, 4.92 by 1.64, and 1.64 by 1.64. So this is equal to 1, this is equal to 3, but here you are getting it 3.5. And we know what you are getting here. Simplest ratio means you are getting the number of atoms, but the number of atom cannot be in fraction. It should always be whole number. So what next, right? So most of the people do these kind of problems, but if answer you're getting like this, they will stuck here. So there what you have to do is, whenever you get 0.5, 3.5, 1.5, 2.5, so you have to multiply this whole thing by 2. So then what you will get? You will get the whole number. So what you are doing here, multiply 3.5, 3 and 1 by 2. So in order to change them in whole number, this is what you have to do. So why can't we just multiply 3.5? If you do that, then the percentage you will not get correct. So you have to multiply whole thing, okay, not only one number. So when you do this, what you will get? The ratio between carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. You will get the ratio 3.5 into 2 means 7, 3 into 2 6, 1 into 2 2. So therefore, what is the empirical formula? Answer we will write here. The empirical formula is C7H6O2. C7H6O2. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.